Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to change out the air filters on a 06 Porsche Cayenne. Now both sides are the same. It does have filters, a twin filter box. So first thing you're going to need to do is come over here and start removing these panel pieces. Now these little knobs right here, you'll need a screwdriver in order to turn them, and I'll show you what they look like here in just a second. And now this one popped right out, but you can see right there how that screw is. Now if they don't pop out, you can use that panel pliers. If they do pop out, great, you won't have to use the panel pliers, but we'll see. Okay, now this one's working good. The panel piece is off. Now once you get all those little panel fasteners off, you'll lift this piece off and you will see the air box sitting right here. So the next thing you want to do is take a T30 socket, and if you look at these little tabs right here, you want to spin this around until it lines up with that pin right there. The same thing with this side, you want to turn this around until it lines up with that pin. So once it lines up with that pin, you'll be able to take a pair of pliers and pull straight up on it, and this will come straight out. Line that up. And you'll see it come straight out. So the next thing you want to do is pop these clips off the box on the top. Then you want to remove this outer assembly. You kind of pull on this back a little bit and you'll see it separate right there. And then you'll be able to pull this straight out. Then you can see the air filter right here and you'll pull it straight up. If there's any debris down in the hole down in there, like leaves or anything like that, you want to clean them out or get a vacuum in there in order to remove all that. Then you'll get your new air cleaner and you'll just slide it back into the correct position, right back in the hole. Then you'll look at your box and you'll see these tabs. They'll all line up the bottom, so you go ahead and slide this back in. Make sure those clips stay up top there. And then you want to look down in there and make sure that the tabs are attached down in the bottom. And you want to pull it back up and work the assembly back together. This will slide just right back in there. Go ahead and fasten your fasteners down. Then you'll take your pins and insert them the way that they came out. There's a little tab right there and you'll see a little groove on the hole whenever you put it back in. Once you get those pins to go down in there, then you'll go ahead and turn this back around to the front knob and then do the same thing for the opposite side. Now we'll start reinstalling the paneling. So once you get your paneling all set in place and lined up, you'll start putting your fasteners back in. Now if you turn them in the right direction, they'll just pop. You'll hear it pop as it's going in. If you don't hear it pop, then just give it a turn and then you should hear it pop. So you do that for all of them, all the way around. Then you put your other cover back on. So once you've completed one side, then you can work on getting the other side off. Now the main difference between the two sides is on the passenger side you have the water bottle that you have to contend with and an extra screw. And I've already taken this one out, but I'll go ahead and show you. Whenever you lift up for the water bottle, there's a screw right here that holds onto the water bottle. So once you get that screw off, you'll work the lid through and around, and you'll take the fasteners off the same way, and then you'll lift that cover off. So all the screws and everything come out the same way. You'll pull this back, pull out the cover, and here's the air filter. So you'll just simply pull it out and get your new air filter and install it. Down in there you might see some debris. You want to clean that all out. So once you get the new air filter in there, go ahead and put your cover on there. Make sure it's locked down on the bottom, along the bottom edge. Then you'll Now you've replaced both filters on both sides. That's how you change it out on your Porsche Cayenne with a 4.5. So anyway guys, I hope that my video helped y'all out today. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And I guess I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.